Hey gardener, Katie here, gardening in Kansas, Zone 6B, and today we are going to finish 2025's garlic. We're going to clean them and get them ready for storage. So let's grow. Okay, first my short self needs to pull this thing down. Okay, now that that's mostly stable, I spread them out. Then I will go through and trim the tops, or trim the roots off. You could pull these out one by one, sit down on a comfy chair and on your deck and trim them one by one, but I just find this works better. Okay, you can see how easy and quick that was. That took, I don't know, 2 minutes, maybe. The thing I love about this rack is that it makes it easy to get the stuff on top, the roots, but also it makes it real easy to snip off the stems. So I'm gonna do that now. By the way, these are hard neck garlic, not soft neck. I have never grown soft neck, so everything in this video applies to hard neck garlic. Hi, Beans. Beans is eating her supper behind you. The cat. Beans is a cat. If you're new here. Okay, this is what it looks like when we're done. They're all trimmed up. Ready to see who's the chosen ones for next year. All of that will go in the compost pile. Okay, now that they're all cleaned up, I'm gonna go through and separate them into big bulb size versus little bulb size. Let's see, here's couple of examples. The bigger ones I want to use for growing garlic next year. You'll peel these apart, and each clove in here you will plant, which will turn into your bulbs for next year. The bigger the better. So here's a couple examples. See the difference? Massive, not massive. You could still grow this one, peel it apart and plant it. It just won't get you the results that this will. So we're gonna save the big ones. Big box, little box. So if you watched my harvesting garlic video for 2025, you will see I had not my best year. It's all my fault. I let the weeds take over and smothered out my garlic. So a lot of these are small. Again, my fault. We've had some crazy weather, but I can't fully blame this all on the weather. I'd like to, but I can't. And this garlic, gosh, we've had it for 6 years, maybe? And 1 year, we had two separate kinds. German Hardy, yeah, German Hardy and Chestnut Red. And 1 year I mixed them up and I lost track of what was what. That was, I don't know, a couple years ago. So I don't know what kind this is, technically speaking. I think it's mostly the German kind, but I really don't know. But this year, because I'd like to know what I'm growing, I went ahead and purchased new bulbs from Johnny's. I'm going to get music garlic bulbs. So whatever the big ones of these are, they'll just complement, and I will keep them separate. Okay, here's what we got. This is the box that are the bigger ones that I will use if the music garlic that I got from Johnny's isn't enough. Try to plant at least 200 a year. This is 37 of them. And then over here is the little bit smaller box. There's some in there that might make it to the big box if I really needed it, but most of this will be eaten. And I just counted and there was about 82 in there. Like I said, we planted a total of 200. We've already eaten several, gave several away, so like I said, if you watched my other video, it was a crappy year, but all things considered, this isn't so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna get these inside, and we're done with garlic 2025. I hope your garlic season went well. I hope your 2025 gardening season in general is going well. It is about time to do this again. In about a month and a half, we'll be planting garlic bulbs into the ground for 2026. I'm not sure how we got here so fast, but here we are. So stay tuned and we'll do that together. Anyways, later, dude.